Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Very good morning. So here I have brought one uh, the latest update about the Baiju founder Ravi Chandran. So you may have heard about he has been sentenced for the 6 months jail, which is in Singapore. So if I talk about his background, he was the first person who started the Indian startup edtech company, and this edtech company they have reached a $22 million company. On the other hand, means if I talk about his basic background, he started his journey uh, early 2015. He he was the person who got a 100 percentile in his CAT exam, and thereafter he decided to teach some of the students. So some of his friends, when they saw his teaching styles and some other communities, they suggested, why don't you think to open your own institutes. And he was so brilliant in maths and science, but he focused in mathematics, especially in a CAT and some other exams. So he started this venture, and he initially he had around 35 to 36 students, but it gradually improved, and he had around 1200 students. So uh, thereafter he opened couple of institutions in India, and he has many programs, many students they are enrolling, and the Baijus are also sponsored by the Shah Rukh Khan and the FIFA, the famous player Messi. I mean, he also spent so much money. On the other hand, he also sponsored in the Cricket World Cup and the FIFA World Cup 2022. Yes. So, in especially in the year of 2019, when the COVID hit, so maximum schools institutions closed down completely, and everyone has started mode of the online. So this gave him a real boost, and he started in the uh, in the online version. So on that time he had a really boost, and he had a great margin, and thereafter he also brought many programs, and many investors they have also associated with him, as per his entrepreneurial style and his profit. He had a great name fame in the market, and then he decided to expand his business, not in the India, even the overseas market. Yeah.